We are investors. That's what we do at TPG, and we can spot what a good investor looks like and also what they need, which is not just the investing capabilities, but the ability to build a firm. That's what TPG NEXT is meant to do.
We've observed a general industry consolidation wherein it's become harder and harder for new firms to launch and inflect for growth. Many of these new firms are led by very experienced and talented investors, and we identified an opportunity to seed them and provide them the network and resources of our established firm in that growth journey.
More capital has been flowing into the private markets ecosystem, which has been great for managers. And so what that creates is, for established firms that are beneficiaries of this capital, they're growing quite rapidly. And so they need a liquidity solution to help solve for some of that rapid growth.
The launch process has actually gotten more and more complex, both financially and operationally. It is often the case that first-time funds really do require that level of institutionalization to access capital at scale. We identified this problem in the marketplace through partnerships with our existing LPs that were seeking to find ways to invest in more new firms, and were unable to find them and unable to resource them with the institutional quality capabilities they needed in their first or second funds.
Seeding and staking are different versions of financing solutions and putting capital in the hands of these GPs. Seeding refers to, first-time funds, so we're strategizing with them, we're providing counsel and resources. Staking is generally for more mature firms. Generally speaking, with stakes, you are, working with someone who already has a defined strategy and knows what they're wanting to do. They have a team. They largely have a firm set up.
The future of this category, I think, is very bright as more and more GPs avail themselves of seeding as a really practical and exciting solution for them as entrepreneurs. TPG NEXT is a seeding strategy. We provide anchor LP capital and working capital to new firms as they launch. In addition to the capital, we provide a variety of strategic support functions, everything from operations, setting up your mid-back office infrastructure, business units including legal, tax, accounting, HR, operations, finance, cyber, technology, and then we provide a lot of strategic support as well. So partnerships with our operating group, our executive advisors, our industry networks to help really create value in the underlying portfolio of the new firms as they launch.
We're very hands-on, and there's really no other solution in the market quite like this, particularly because we are set up within a GP. So we not only know what it takes to be successful, but we actually can deliver those resources.
No deal structure is the same. And so it really is involving more of a bespoke solution and how to kind of solve real-time problems with investor entrepreneurs. We're backing private alternative investment managers across buyout, growth equity, as well as structured solutions strategies. We're looking to back folks that have really attractive deep track records and domain expertise and a right to win in their categories. We're highly focused on the growth of the franchise and figuring out ways where we can partner with new firms, both operationally, but also from the lens of an established GP ourselves with domain expertise.
An initiative like TPG NEXT could not exist at many other firms in our industry because it requires a high degree of collaboration. From its inception, NEXT has been extremely fortunate to have the time and engagement of our firm's executive office, as well as the leaders of our impact platform. It has been, from day one, a highly interdisciplinary strategy that leverages capabilities across the firm. We're really excited at TPG to have built TPG NEXT in the GP stakes category as a seeding solution. We see tremendous growth and evolution of the GP stakes industry, and we view it as a growing market opportunity that increasingly LPs are in demand to access.
Choosing the right seating partner is one of the most important decisions that these GPs and the people in them are going to make. This has to be someone that is going to be aligned strategically, but importantly also that is going to invest in you, and not just yourself, but the team.
Firms choose TPG NEXT as their seating partner because they're looking for a partner that can provide an investment-centric approach. What does that mean? Well, relative to other seating platforms in the marketplace, TPG NEXT resides within TPG. We are an established investment organization primarily comprised of investment principles, and we make every decision with the best decision for the investing in mind. That attracts a certain profile of entrepreneur that at the end of the day is primarily focused on delivering excellent returns to their underlying LPs.
I think what attracts investors to us specifically as a GP stakes and solutions provider is our ability to add value at the portfolio company level. As a GP ourselves, we have domain expertise across many different sectors, and oftentimes the thesis going into an investment is really a partnership from an investment-centric level partnership rather than purely an operational business build.
Part of our job as their potential partner is to listen and understand and really empathize with their specific areas of concern. We want these managers to really get to know us, and I think what they find in that learning journey is that we really want them to win. And we have an alignment of interest with them. We're a partner, a minority partner in their general partner, which means their success is our success. And we have to show that in the due diligence process through their ups and downs to really demonstrate that we can earn their trust and maintain that trust over time.